The Jordan Flight Court Wolf Grey highlights Jordan Brand's evolving approach of merging lifestyle appeal with sports heritage, taking cues from both basketball performance and skateboarding culture. Initially introduced in late 2024, the model captures the spirit of hybrid design by combining classic hardwood elements with skate-inspired aesthetics. This fall or winter 2025 release presents a muted, near-monochrome colorway accented by suede overlays, a textured mudguard, and netting inspired by the Air Jordan 5. Clean contrast comes from its all-white outsole, while subtle pops of university red on the tongue and heel branding bring just the right amount of energy. Retailing at $105, the sneaker illustrates Jordan Brand's continuous effort to expand beyond the court, solidifying its versatility in streetwear while staying rooted in hoops DNA. The Wolf Grey edition reinforces the brand's push to bridge performance, lifestyle, and skate-inspired fashion,